And it may be the kind of machine that silicon stuff just cannot implement.
Cannot emulate, yeah. All right, so let's just get into a little more detail. So, famously, and I know that you've been asked this question so many times that you probably recoil at it, but in 1995, you coined the term, the hard problem of consciousness, which for many people, certainly I include myself in that, crystallized why this is such a conundrum. So can you just give us a short summary of what you mean by the hard problem?
Sure, and I should say this was never an original observation. I think, everybody knew in their bones that consciousness posed a hard problem. This label just kind of crystallizes the problem and makes it a bit harder to avoid. But, you go to a conference on consciousness and you find people talk about many different things. Sometimes it's just used for the difference between being asleep and being awake. Sometimes it's used for the ability to control your behavior in certain considered ways. Sometimes it's used for the ability to report certain internal states. But I think where consciousness is concerned, those things are actually what I call the easy problems. Not because it's straightforward to explain them. It's probably about as hard as anything in ordinary cognitive neuroscience, but we've got a paradigm.